Hello, my darlings. This is Hematita, and I am here to show you how to follow a topic on Quora. Now, for this, let's search. What topic do I want to follow? Let's say drawing. Now, you can see we get lots of topics. We get drawings, figure drawing, colored pencil drawing, drawing and paintings, digital drawings, blah, blah, blah. The point is, I'll click drawings. Let's say that's the topic I want to follow. Now, you see where it says follow up there? The blue box? All you have to do is click follow. Isn't that pretty simple? You can even, on the same page, look for some answers to read. Look for some questions to answer. Look at the most viewed writers in the topic, even click their answers. And watch the loading page of doom. The point, it'll even show you related topics. Now, they might not actually be related because the algorithm sucks sometimes, but the point is, this is how you follow a topic. If you like topics, follow them. Maybe you'll actually have some stuff in your feed that you like then. I hope that this helped out. This is Hematita, leaving with an E. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you, dolls.